Question number 61. You are a customer service manager. You need to implement a Power Apps portal that allows customer to submit cases. Which type of data source is used? Option A, Dynamic 365 Connector. Option B, Microsoft SharePoint. Option C, Microsoft Azure Storage. Option D, Microsoft Dataverse. The correct answer is option D, Microsoft Dataverse. Question number 62. You are building a Power Apps portal by using the Customer Self-Service template. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is, the Customer Self-Service portal supports Azure AD authentication. The correct answer is no. The second statement is, the Customer Self-Service portal has multi-language support. The correct answer is yes. The third statement is, the Customer Self-Service portal supports web form. The correct answer is yes. Question number 63. A company plans to build Power Apps portal. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is, you must use standard templates for building portals. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is, you can test portals in non-production environments and then migrate the portals into production environments. The correct answer is yes. The third statement is, when transitioning to the new version of a portal, you can display a customizable maintenance page until the new portal is ready to be used. The correct answer is yes. Question number 64. A company is building a Power Apps portal. You need to select out-of-the-box portal types to meet the company's requirements. Which portal types should you use? On the left-hand side, you have the portal types. On the right-hand side, you have the requirement where you need to choose the correct portal type. The first requirement is, collaboratively onboard new suppliers and distributors. The correct portal type is Partner Portal. The second requirement is, publish a blog post announcing new suppliers. The correct portal type is Community Portal. Question number 65. A company is considering implementing Power Platform. The company must minimize development costs. For which three scenarios should you consider implementing Power Apps portal? Option A, a customer support website that includes knowledge-based search and support for document upload. Option B, a public website that supports multilingual communities with forums and blog support. Option C, a secure website for mobile users that is available only by using a VPN into the corporate network. Option D, a secure website for vendors accessing data stored in Microsoft Dataverse. Option E, an internal website for employees with limited access to Dynamic 365 finance data. The correct answers are option A, A customer support website that includes knowledge-based search and support for document uploads. Option B, a public website that supports multilingual communities with forums and blog support. And option E, an internal website for employees with limited access to Dynamic 365 finance data. Question number 66. A company publishes ebook for independent authors. The company wants to implement a Power Apps portal solution to make announcement about upcoming books to the general public. You need to recommend features for the company. Which features should you use? The first question is, ensure that book authors can securely access their data. The correct answer is, access data in Microsoft Dataverse. The second question is, ensure consistent page design across the website. The correct answer is, use page templates. The third question is, ensure that the public can access announcement about upcoming books. The correct answer is, browse content anonymously. Question number 67. A company is building a Power Apps portal. You need to select page components. Which component should you use? On the left hand side, you have the components. On the right hand side, you have the requirement where you need to choose the correct component. The first requirement is, display a single record from Microsoft Dataverse. The correct component is form. The second requirement is, display a list of records from a Microsoft SharePoint list. The correct component is connector. The third requirement is, display a list of records from Microsoft Dataverse. The correct component is list. Question number 68. You are trying to explain the benefits of Microsoft Dataverse, Common Data Service business rules to your manager. He asks you about an application of the business rules to the Power Apps form. Can a Canvas app show or hide form field based on a business rule? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option B, no. Question number 69. You create a Power Platform solution in a development environment. What type of solution will it be when you import it into a test environment? Option A, standard. Option B, unmanaged. Option C, test. Option D, managed. Option E, system. The correct answer is option D, managed. Question number 70. A bank uses Power Platform apps and flows to support business processes. The company would like to use historical client data to predict whether a client's loan application is likely to be approved or rejected. You need to use AI Builder to implement the solution. Which 4 actions should you perform in sequence? On left hand side, you have the actions. On right hand side, you have to choose the correct action in sequence. The first action should be import data into Microsoft Dataverse, followed by train the model, publish the model, and use the model in Power Apps or Power Automate.